7 fruits that provide optimally healthy skin for men. Incredible facts. Have you ever come across this phrase? You are what you eat. We've all heard it said, and it's true in many ways. After all, the meals we eat are broken down into the nutrients that construct and repair our cells and tissues, as well as carry out vital bodily activities. Your skin reflects what you eat, is perhaps a more startling one, but true. Hello friends, and welcome back to the Men's Fashion and Health channel. Today, we are back here again with some interesting yet useful tips, and we are going to talk about the fruits which provide optimally healthy skin for men, so let's get started. Well, that's right, the state of your skin reflects the state of your stomach, which is influenced by your eating habits. The skin and the digestive tract are intricately connected and in continual contact thanks to something called the gut-skin axis. Your gut microbiome contains millions of bacterial and fungal cells that digest your food and provide immunological protection by warding off infections and keeping your body and skin healthy. Thankfully, several kinds of food nourish your skin cells, preserve your gut microbiota, and fight cellular damage to protect your skin from UV damage, wrinkles, inflammatory diseases, acne, and fine lines. Continue watching the video to learn about the finest fruits to consume for men's skin that will result in healthy and glowy skin. Oranges. Vitamin C does wonders for your skin, so eat a lot of oranges every day. Oranges contain natural oils that help to moisturize your skin and make it seem full. Collagen formation is aided by vitamin C, which maintains your skin tightness and decreases the appearance of aging symptoms. Oranges are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help the body combat free radicals and prevent DNA damage. Vitamin C is one of the essential antioxidants that has been found to prevent free radicals from harming the collagen and elastin fibers that give our skin its healthy, firm, and supple structure. Our skin becomes prone to wrinkles, sagging, and fine lines when these structural components are destroyed by free radicals. This helps to prevent premature aging. You might prepare a delicious orange smoothie or use it in salads. Tasty red cherries. Cherries include anthocyanins, which are high in antioxidants. Sherry Sperling, MD, a board-certified dermatologist, adds, they also include vitamins A, B, C, and E, which are beneficial to skin health and can aid with pigmentation and skin renewal. Cherries are, without a doubt, wonderful. They're also nutritious. Cherry color contains anthocyanins, which are anti-inflammatory compounds. These pigments may be found in both sweet and tart cherries, albeit the tart type has more of them. Gout, which affects more males than women, can also be helped by cherries. If you've had a gout flare-up in the past, eating 10 cherries a day can cut your odds of having another flare-up in the future by half. Avocado. Avocado is high in antioxidants and vitamins, which may help feed your skin from within and give it a natural glow. Take heed, gentlemen, avocados are named after you, or more accurately, a part of you. Perhaps this is why the aphrodisiac properties of this creamy green fruit have emerged. Avocados have various health advantages, whether or not they earn that reputation. Avocados, like almonds and olive oil, are heavy in fat, but have no fear, it's the good sort. Avocados are high in good cholesterol, which is HDL, and low in bad cholesterol, which is LDL. This is done with omega-3 fats, which accounts for about 34% of their calories. They're also high in antioxidants, which aid to prevent cell damage, especially in the dark green meat closest to the rind. But use caution and don't eat too many avocados. They're heavy in calories. Bananas. Potassium and manganese, which are highly important minerals for keeping our skin supple and healthy, are abundant in bananas. Manganese promotes collagen formation in human skin. Collagen is a kind of protein generated by skin cells that aid in skin softening and the removal of aging indications on the face. It also aids in the circulation of both oxygen and blood to the skin cells. It improves blood flow. Potassium contributes to the skin's brightness. Have you ever had a Charlie horse? These excruciating muscular spasms might appear out of nowhere. However, consuming enough potassium in your diet may help you avoid them. Here comes the banana. Bananas are high in potassium, which is beneficial to your bones. If you have pre-hypertension or high blood pressure, potassium may be just as significant as lowering your salt intake and lowering your blood pressure. Interesting fact, bananas are the key to keeping your skin hydrated. Bananas include vitamin A, which helps to restore moisture and cure dry skin. Apply mashed ripe bananas to dry skin, avoiding contact with the eyes. Wash off with lukewarm water after 20 to 25 minutes for immediately hydrated skin. Blueberries in season. With its high anthocyanin content, companies are investigating the benefits of integrating blueberries and other berries in skincare products. Applying anthocyanin-containing cream to the skin resulted in a substantial reduction in wound healing time in a few rats and human skin sample investigations. Furthermore, a preliminary study indicates that anthocyanin-containing topical treatments may be effective in the treatment of premature aging due to their significant antioxidant qualities. Acne-related inflammation may be reduced. Blueberries are naturally sweet and a healthy source of fiber, as well as a source of low glycemic carbohydrates, which have been associated with reduced acne-related inflammation. A high glycemic diet, on the other hand, is linked to a greater incidence of acne. Berries are all beneficial to your health as well. They're high in antioxidants, which help your arteries relax, while also having anti-aging properties. Blueberries, on the other hand, are the king fruit among men. Blueberries, like other berries, are high in vitamin K, which aids in blood clotting, and vitamin C. They may, however, aid in the prevention or improvement of erectile dysfunction, a disorder that affects up to half of all men at some point of their life. Kiwi. Eating kiwi improves skin since it contains vitamin E and vitamin C. Because of their antioxidant properties, both of them prevent skin deterioration. It also helps you maintain your pH levels owing to its alkaline nature, which provides your skin with a healthy shine and keeps you looking youthful and fresh. Kiwi fruit should be avoided if you have a known allergy to it, or if you have symptoms such as throat discomfort, swollen tongue, vomiting, or difficulty swallowing meals after eating it. Rather than worrying if kiwi is healthy, begin receiving the advantages of this exotic fruit by including it in your daily routine. Do not waste time pondering how to consume kiwi fruit. You may incorporate it into your diet in a variety of ways. You may eat it whole or use it in smoothies, fruit salads, popsicles, juice, and other recipes. It may be both a nutritious snack and a healthy supplement to your breakfast meal. Pomegranate. The pomegranate is a nutrient-dense fruit that is pleasant to eat and steeped in history, with brilliant crimson seeds and a unique sweet flavor. According to the University of California, its medieval French name comes from the Latin origins for apple and seedy. It was initially grown in Iran, then moved to the Mediterranean, and eventually the Americas. Pomegranates were regarded to be beneficial for liver inflammation, a frequent male ailment, heart disease risk factor, prostate cancer, testosterone levels, and type 2 diabetes in the Middle Ages. Pomegranate contains polyphenols, which work as potent antioxidants, and was responsible for the improvements. Finally, remember that consuming a wide range of fruits is ideal. It would be bad to consume only one type of fruit, since various fruits contain diverse phytochemicals with the capacity to exert a wide variety of good health effects. Have we forgotten any fruits that you know? Let us know in the comments. It's not simple to keep your skin in good shape. Your skin will only shine if you are healthy from the inside out, no matter how many cosmetics you use. As a result, receiving the correct quantity of nutrients through meals is critical. As a bonus, as you've come this long for our video, here's an interesting fact. A cup of dried figs provides the same amount of calcium as a cup of milk. Figs, unlike the refreshing drink, are also high in fiber, but don't go overboard. So, this was all about this video. I hope you liked the information given in the video, and if you have anything on your mind, feel free to comment below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this. Also, hit the bell icon to get the notification of the latest updates on the channel, and thanks for watching!